what's going on, guys? Gaming Moose here. In today's video, we're going to be trying to use only wizards in BTD6 on Chimps. So again, this is Chimps with only the wizard monkey. Which is kind of epic. Are we gonna die right off the start? Yes, we are. Yep, okay. Okay, we're gonna try and do a Quincy start here, maybe. So the only reason I'm using Hero here is because there is I'm not sure when purple balloons come, but it's just not possible to survive until you can get a Necromancer unpopped army, I think. Not sure. That's what I think. So we have our Fireball Wizard here. Lead popping power in round, what was that, 9? Yep, that seems right. Okay, now I want to get down another wizard here with top path, so he can hopefully go straight down this path here. And just follow the balloons with his guided magic straight down this path. I think I want intense magic for extra pierce. Maybe. Actually, Arcane Blast kind of gives me that more pierce. Okay, the balloons should take damage when they're coming down from that firewall. I'm not sure if they will, though. This guy is going to be our camo detection. Boom. Down that camo balloon with ease. This guy is going to be our bottom path wizard, I think. And yep, there's the round 25 purple balloons. Quincy was the only one that could pop those, I think. And we now have an unpopped army. So we're doing, this guy's up in the front of the map, so he should be getting most of the pops that he can then use to make his unpopped army, which is another wall, which is just a ton of balloons in the back of the map that should hopefully help us defend. Since when could you target the wall of fire with the Arcane Blast? What? Huh? I clicked on wall of fire and then I saw this first and I was like, what could I possibly be targeting? I clicked over here and then there's a wall of fire. Got it. Literally, since when could you target a wall of fire with this? Is that part of the, whatever of life? I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Are we strong enough for a Moab? I think we are. Yeah, our unpopped army in the back of the map. Putting in work. So now we just have a line of fire that the balloons have to get through. We have Necromancer, this guy's wall of fire, and then with this wizard monkey's wall of fire, this arcane spike wall of fire. And just like that, I already have access to 2 5th tiers. Well, I can't buy them, but I have access to use them, which is good. There we go, Dragon's Breath, it does a lot of damage. Okay. Now, I think I want a Prince of Darkness. That's a lot. That's a big purple balloon rush. We don't like that. Come on. Don't die. Ready? Okay, the purple balloons are done. And we're oh gosh. There's just so many balloons that are just eating up our unpopped army in the back of the map. 63, calm down. Okay, we're 2,000 away from Prince of Darkness, which reanimates up to BFBs, which is epic. Okay, and we can almost afford it. Come on, a little more money. Come on. Come on. Boom. Look at that. Moabs in the back of the map to help us defend against the balloons. And now they last longer, so they can get up to this first turn before incinerating. And the Moabs can almost make it to the wall of fire. The third one in the line. So now I think I want an Archmage, which is a really good Moab popper. He does insane damage. It's kind of crazy how much damage he does actually. Okay guys, we can almost afford the Archmage, and a boom. The Archmage, it's a cool looking tower. So is the Prince of Darkness. So now, I think periodically around the map I want to have some Necromancers. So I think right here I'll put one Necromancer there. And then here I'll put a Necromancer. With a Wall of Fire. Look at that. A beautiful line of walls of fire. 4 walls of fire. There we go. The unpopped army going in the back of the map. So yeah, this is just a safety measure. All of these guys that I'm putting. All these necromancers that I'm putting in, and they get buffed by my Prince of Darkness, which is epic too. An unpopped army. This guy's not gonna be able to do much. He's not gonna spawn in balloons because he doesn't have any pops. The necromancer needs to actively be gaining pops and have balloons to reanimate to keep them coming. So eventually this guy will run out of balloons to reanimate. But he's still gaining pops, so maybe not. Quincy's level 16. Maybe I'll put a Dragon's Breath right here. Camo detection. We just need to keep this wall of fire going. Get a top path. Let this guy here get a Dragon's Breath, I guess. Okay, so I can target this guy's wall of fire here, I guess. This guy can also have camo detection. We're just keeping this wall of fire here. This guy can be a necromancer, I guess. Ah, there's no money coming. Why do we not have money? I need money. There we go. I still don't have necromancer, but I have shimmer. Look at all these balloons built up in the back of the map from this guy. They're all clumped up, which is good because that packs more damage in a smaller space. Oh, okay, DDT round. Shredded! Oh my gosh. They didn't even have a chance. I'm not sure they even made it to the unpopped army. Or not the army, the unpopped Moabs, I guess. Constant wall of fire here. Move this guy's fire a little more down. Okay, around the, okay. Balloons didn't even stand a chance there. Those DDTs didn't. Come on, I need one more wizard right here to complete the ring of fire. Okay, I just need to get this guy in the right spot. I'm gonna make him top path just to make sure I can get it in the right spot. Yep, that looks right. Oh, that is a beauty. I can't even see the whole thing yet, but it is a beauty. I know that much. Constant walls of fire throughout this whole ring of fire. Oh, hey, DDTs. They're supposed to be coming. Oh, this guy got popped somehow. Oh, and there goes his graveyard. Literally being shredded. I don't think I've seen a more beautiful thing. This absolute wall of ring of fire around this one guy. Good thing he's a middle path, so he's not being roasted alive. Because he literally breathes fire. Couldn't imagine how this necromancer feels next to all these flames. Considering he is in a jacket thingy. Just gonna summon a phoenix. And drop some arrows. I have my sound effects off. There we go. Oh, I can hear the balloons popping now. Yay. I had them off because I was being spammed money in co-op. And I guess I forgot to turn them back on. Around 97 to fortified ZOMGs here. I think we're fine. Graveyard's dying out in the back of the map though. Are we fine? Yep, okay. This is just insane. That is a lot of ZOMGs. I'm gonna summon a Phoenix. Hey, the sun's out. Yay. That is a lot of balloons. I feel like this is when I might die. Okay, come on. What do I do? I'm recording. Okay, I have an arcane spike. I'm not sure if that's gonna make a difference. But we just got absolutely overrun by these balloons. Quincy's ability. Are we fine? 98 is a problem, which is not good. I'm gonna use that ability. I'm gonna get another arcane spike in a second. There we go. Still got a solid, oh. Come on, get your firewall up, bud. Nice. Okay. We're staying alive, barely. Quincy's ability was not enough. Why did I think Quincy's ability was gonna be enough? Are we gonna be able to do this? Like, I don't know what I could possibly do. I have $19,000. What wizard upgrade can I buy for $19,000? I could get, that back here. And then I could get a dragon's breath back here. Just to help out this guy. Because he is, like, absolutely failing us. I'm gonna use Quincy's ability just to get his pops up a little. I'm surprised the balloons are getting past this ring of fire. I'm gonna get Summon Phoenix. So I have 3 Summon Phoenix abilities. I'm gonna use one. I'm gonna use another because I'm scared. Are the phoenixes flying in each other? How is this possible? Oh, hey, we did it. Quincy's max level now. I'm gonna use Quincy's ability. Okay, 99 DDTs here. Are we fine? Looks like we're fine. We're fine. Okay, BAD. Let's go. Phoenixes. All the phoenixes. I'm gonna leave one just to be safe. Oh, we're shredding, kind of. Are we? Not really. We're not really shredding. I'm gonna spawn in another phoenix. Quincy's ability again. Quincy doing some damage there. Are the DDT? Okay, the DDTs weren't enough to get by. But all of these other ZOMGs are definitely a good reason to die. Don't die. Come on. Whew! What can I do? Literally, what can I do? I don't know. Can I load out, please? Game, come on. Okay, I'm back in the save. I don't know why it glitched out like that. I'm just gonna get this guy, I guess. And then just throw down another wizard here. I just don't know what else I can do, really. Okay, I'm gonna summon 2 phoenixes. There's one ready to go for later. There's 2 ready to go. Oh, right, I have another one. I'll spawn in another one, I guess. 3 phoenixes. All targeting the BAD. They're doing damage, I guess. Use Quincy's ability because I completely forgot to. Come on, pop off the BAD layer. There's another phoenix. DDTs, okay. Now spam abilities on these OMGs. Use as many as you can. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Come on, don't die, don't die. Yes! We got it! Let's go! Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!